Hello guys, welcome back. Hope we are well. You can see two Citizen boxes in the video right now. So this is an unboxing of both of these watches in today's video. These are not my watches. I bought these for a couple of my mates, and they were kind enough to allow me to unbox both of these watches on my channel. I really like both of these. I really like the dial on both of these, and both of these watches really show how far Citizen has come in the last few years, and they're doing absolutely fantastic with a lot of their watches, especially the dials, and they're really upping their game. I'll do a full review of both of these watches on the channel in the coming weeks as well, but for today, let's see what I've bought for a couple of my mates, and then I'll be wrapping up the video. Okay, I'm not really sure which one's which, but let's start with the one on the right. As you can see, they're the boxes are the same, and here it is. So in Australia with Citizen, you get 5-year warranty, which is absolutely fantastic, especially in this price range. I've always praised Citizen's warranty, and I think this is really market leading in the segment they play in. So here is the first one. So this is the Quartz Eco Drive chronograph, and this is titanium. Both of these watches are titanium. Here is the reference number for the first one, caliber B620. Obviously, Citizen's own caliber Eco Drive. So yeah, really nice looking chronograph. I don't like the 24-hour counter at 3 o'clock, but again, Citizen and Seiko just keep doing this, putting these 24-hour counters on their chronographs in this price range. But as far as the dial and the color is concerned, really like it. First impressions, absolutely love it. There are other color options available as well if you don't like this color. So let me take some of these plastic wraps off. There we go. So yeah, really nice looking timepiece. This one I believe is 42.5 millimeters when it comes to the case size. So a little bit on the larger side, but the lug-to-lug is fairly compact. So this will fit, I believe, a variety of wrists without any problems. I've got an average wrist. Let me just give you a quick wrist shot anyway. So here it is. My wrist size is slightly under 7 inches, and I think this looks definitely okay. No lug overhang at all because of that shorter lug-to-lug distance. So the clasp, as you can see, is fairly basic on this one. Now for the price, I paid $450 odd for this one. That is Australian dollars. Now let me open up the second one for today, and this one is titanium as well. So one of my mates went to a bit of a different route, and here is the second one. So this one is the automatic, obviously not a chronograph, but still a titanium watch. So fairly light, and the clasp on this one, okay, so it is milled on the inside. Not like the other one, so a bit better quality. And here is the reference number, NK5020-58P, caliber A322. So that's the automatic caliber used by Citizen in this watch. So you get the small second hand on this one, as you can see at around that 4 and 5 o'clock. The small seconds hand there. The crown is a bit too small. I've just realized it is a bit too small for a watch of this size. This is smaller than the other one when it comes to the case size, as you can tell. But the crown is a bit too small, I reckon. Still a titanium, so fairly light, this one as well. And let me just give you a quick wrist shot. Obviously, I'll do this in the full review video as well, but here you go. Yeah, it looks really nice, and again the dial is really nice for the price as well. I paid a little bit more. I think I paid about 100 Australian dollars more for this one compared to the chronograph. I believe both of them come with a sapphire crystal. On this one, you get an open case back as well because this is an automatic watch, and the movement is quite basic in this price range as expected. So here it is, guys. Just wanted to unbox both of these watches today. I'm actually looking forward to the review of both of these watches in the coming weeks. So hope you like it. I'll see you with my next video shortly. Until then, stay safe and look after one another. Thank you again.